order to change the settings in your system for RMS, from the main menu, go ahead and click on Utilities. Scroll up on the left-hand side, click on System Info. Here is where the communication can be changed, but it's only if RMS tells you should change it, or if you're having issues sending and receiving. Now, Zilla FTP is our default. If, let's say, you need to send something manually to RMS via email, you can click on Manual and then try your send. WSFTP is also another way that you can do a send and receive if you have different security issues. Over here on the right, it tells your UCC ID, which that is your first 6 to 9 digits of your UPC number. This ID you had purchased at one point in time from either the Uniform Code Council or GS1. Your user ID is the number that RMS has assigned to you. You do not change this. RMS ID is your company ID with RMS. So XYZ would let me know that that's a different vendor. Down below you got label program. We offer the capability of printing labels through RMS, the RMS reporter, or you can have Bartender loaded on your computer as well. If Bartender is loaded, this is the default for the bartend.exe, is this path here. If necessary, you can change it in here. If you are on a network, this can be the network drive, just as long as you have the correct Bartender software that allows it to be networked. If each workstation has bartenders loaded, it should be in the same exact path so that RMS can look on each computer that's printing to that path. RMS reporter is automatically set up correctly. You can print UCC 128 labels to either a laser printer or to a thermal printer. The laser printer gives you 4 equal labels on an 8.5 by 11 sheet. So that sheet is broken up into 4 equal labels without a border. The thermal 1-to-page, that is a 4 by 6 label that gets printed to a thermal printer. PO, the print format, there's 3 other options of how you can print out your purchase orders. So you choose it in here, and then you can go in and see how your purchase orders are printing. I do have some examples of how the POs do print in multi, spreadsheet, and store. Here, multi, it goes ahead and if you will see, you've got all of these different stores. So it gives you a condensed version of the purchase order. So it's saying, okay, this is the ship to, but for store 0709 there's 6 pieces, for store 0712 there's 6 pieces, and so forth. Here you've got your totals, so 150 total orders. So all of these will add up to be 150. Here's your cost, your retail, and total cost. Okay, so that's your multi. Spreadsheet format gives you a breakdown on this order. So you've got the different stores. It would have all the different stores listed all the way across with how many quantities for each one of those stores. For by store, it gives you 1 printout per store. So this is PO ending in 36. It's going to store 819, and it gives you the information for that store. Here we've got the same exact PO, different stores, so you get a second printout for each one of the stores for that PO. All right. And that concludes the System Info tutorial.